Okay, so that was just a little part from Prelude from Suite Number 1. And this piece is really, really hard, and I tried my best. I messed up a little, but this piece was played by Yo-Yo Ma, so it's really famous. I hope you guys enjoyed it.